Guys, we start this Sotanghon with chicken and pork. I decided to cook this because today is gloomy, rainy. It is rainy day. That's why I decided to cook this dish. The chicken and pork with Sotanghon, and then veggies. Yeah. Okay. Before anything else, I have to boil first this is a breast of chicken, 1 piece breast of chicken sliced into 4. I just add salt and pepper and then boil. That is the first procedure. Hi guys, it's already 10 o'clock. That's why I decided to start preparing the food for lunch for these workers. Now I am starting this Sotanghon with chicken and pork. Here you see I am going to boil this chicken first, then I will shred, and I already cook their rice. See how I cook the rice? Very nice, compact. See that? Nice. Sarap ah. Sarap pa ng amoy ah. Okay, now next is to proceed in slicing, cleaning, and everything. Okay. Oh, delivery of Cocolumber is here. Mr. Kokoy Cocolumber is here. Ordered 100 Cocolumbers 2x3x12. They're here. Delivery men working there. They're working here. See that? And other there. About me, can you see me? Oh my god, I am going to cook now. Okay, let's go guys, let's cook our food. Here they are. It's already prepared for you. Hi guys, it's too noisy here. I'm so sorry, but we are on the highway. That's why motorists come pass here, because of course this is a highway. What is a highway for? And then these guys outside are working, still working with the construction of our house. That's why they are also noisy. And the dogs, a lot of dogs outside, and deliveries. Oh my god, different kinds of noise guys. Okay, let us continue this work. Hope you will like this food I am preparing, and I think this is delicious. I haven't cooked any food that is not delicious. That's what they say. My family said. This is vermicelli. Vermicelli is a type of just like Chinese pasta, made of let me see the ingredients. The ingredients are mung beans, peas, potato, starch, and that's it. And then this is a product of Jormy Marketing Corporation, Manila, Philippines. Imported by Jormy, but this is made in China. This is Hengbing brand vermicelli, Lungma International Limited. Yeah, this one, Hengbing vermicelli. Let's try this. I haven't tried this yet. Okay, I am going to stir fry as usual the ingredients, then followed by the chicken, the shredded chicken, and the pork belly, then followed by the veggies. Before starting to cook, guys, we must have to soak this in the water. Here I have a bowl with water. I will soak this inside. And another thing that I must have to remind you is that before shredding this chicken, you remember that we boiled here. Okay, now this water that is used from here is still be used for our broth. Okay, this is very essential for the taste of the of this recipe. Okay, that's all. I love looking at this vermicelli because when you vermicelli in they call it vermicelli, but we call here in the Philippines as Sotanghon. Yeah, and you see, when I soak in the water, when it's in the water, it's transparent, it's crystal-like. It looks like crystal. See, it's nice to see this. Very nice. Okay, let's start the cooking. Okay, first we have to place the pork. Let's remove the parts of this pork in order to stir fry. Okay, then the ginger. This time, first the ginger, because this is a type of cooking that we want the ginger, the aroma of the ginger to come out, because this is Sotanghon soup. A lot of ginger slices. Ginger slices. Okay. When the aroma will come out, then the garlic will follow. Okay. And then the garlic slices. I slice 6 cloves because you want it garlicky and gingery. Yeah. Wow, what a term. Garlicky, gingery. Yummy. Diba? Ang sarap ng amoy. Diba? Gutom. Nagugutom na ako. Wala pa ng 11. My God. Nakaamoy na eh. My God. See that? Now, followed by the chipotle onions, the red onions. Okay, guys, have you noticed na ang slices is thinly sliced and pahaba siya, because we are cooking long Sotanghon. The celery. See that? Ang sarap lalo ng amoy. My gulay. Wow. And then, to be spicy, we place this red pepper. Pepper no. Chili flakes. Okay. To let the taste come out. Let's fry. Like that. And then chicken. Wow. Sarap na guys. Sarap ng amoy. Wow. Wow. Sarap ah. And then the string beans. And this one, no problem on when to place this cube, because it can be anytime. That is just for the taste of this cooking. Okay. And then let us put the broth where we boiled the chicken here. Okay, this is the chicken broth. Wow naman. Wow naman. Okay, then to be simmer for 2 minutes. Okay guys, now let us transfer this here, because we must add the vermicelli, and we will add the water also, because vermicelli absorb a lot of water, you know. Then to remind you, we are feeding 5 men. Okay, we have to add at least 6 glasses of water for this vermicelli to be cooked, because it needs more water. Okay, and then let us just wait for this to boil, and then add the vermicelli. Take note, here is a bagong sauce, fish sauce. I am going to add here to taste better, and then also the magic sarap. This is the magic here. Wow. And then let's now add this. Lumubog na si Sotanghon. Here you are. All dropped inside. Wow. Happy Sotanghon. Okay, we'll just wait this to be cooked. and then we'll taste. Guys, just leave it open, and then I will add now this one, the green onions. Okay, one hand again. Power of one hand. Wow, beautiful. Oh, see? Wow, beautiful. Sa amoy pa lang, winner na, champion na. But we have to add a little bit of the salt, and the final touch, the salt and pepper, and the sesame oil. Oh, pour it generously. Yummy. Sarap naman ng amoy, my God. Panalo. Ang sarap, guys. Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. Sarap. Kain na tayo, guys. Oh, di ka ma-invite yan? Wow. Sarap yan. Okay. Yes, Sotanghon soup is here. Let me taste. Nako, kasarap, my God. The best, the best. How I wish na ma-taste nyo. Okay? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Mag-thank you ako this time because wala akong chance mag-thank you every time na may vlog ako. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following. Please leave, like, and comment. Please suggest any. If you want me to cook some recipe that you want, let me know. Okay? Just let me know. Thank you and God bless. Tinikman niya, guys. How is it? How is it?
Ito lang.
How is it?
Sarap, kain na tayo.
Eat na, guys. Eat.
Let's go eat na.
Sotanghon. Look at
Okay.
this. Look at this, guys. Oh. Nice texture of vermicelli, yeah? I love this. Ang sarap, guys. My God. Champion. Sarap. The ginger, the garlic, everything mixed up. Mono, perfect. My God. 10 ka. 10.